How to post a picture on Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily post a picture on your Instagram. So first thing, simply open up your Instagram application and make sure you are signed into your account. So first thing, simply click on this plus icon here. You can see on the middle of the bottom of your screen, so simply tap on it, and once you're inside here, just select your photos category and simply select any of the photos just like this, and just click on next from over here. If you don't want a gallery photo, you can also click on this camera option like this. Over here you can see there's an option for a camera at the right, and you can just click on the camera to simply post a live picture by simply clicking on it like this, capturing an image just like this, or you can also use a gallery image from your gallery. So once you select the image of your choice, so let me just select this one and just click on next. And from over here you can also increase or decrease your brightness, contrast. You can also use filter over here just like this, as you can see, based on your choice, and just click on next. And you can just add a caption over here by simply typing over there and just click on share button. You can also add music and tag people and just click on share, and then your post will be successfully uploaded to the Instagram just like that. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.